Guys, I am Sydney with iWash Auto Detailing, and today I am here cleaning some carpets, and I'm going to be using the P&S Double Black Carpet System. So first we have the Terminator, which is an enzyme cleaner. This is kind of the pre-cleaner that's going to help break the stain up. Then we switch to number 2, which is the Carpet Bomber. This is the upholstery cleaner. And then we have the final one, which is the finisher. This is a peroxide treatment that helps remove any of the old surfactants from the cleaning agents and leaves a nice, fresh, clean carpet. With getting the stains out, we have a couple different options for brushes. We have the black scrub brush. There is a couple versions of this. There's some white bristles and black. I like the black bristles because they're a little bit stiffer, so they kind of get that stain worked out. So this is a great brush choice. We are also going to be using the drill brush, which is a white drill brush. This is from the Rag Company. I like the drill brush because it helps get a bigger area of the stain worked in, and it just gets all of the dirt coming up to the top. So the drill brush is a great option as well. Then we are going to remove all of the material with either a steamer or an extractor. That again is kind of a personal preference. All right, so in this back area, we are going to use our extractor today to pull the rest of the debris out. So in some areas, you're going to use a steamer, some we're going to use an extractor. Because this was a little bit heavier soiled carpet back here, we're going to use our extractor. So a couple good points about using an extractor. We don't need to over moisten the carpet. What that causes is its ability to not dry, and then it also will cause the stains to re-wick back up to the surface. And it's just not necessary. So we are going to use a rinse agent in our extractor and just rinse it and pull it up. So this is just for those really bad areas. All right, so we have extracted the carpet, and now we are going to put on the final step of the carpet system, which is the finisher. This is a peroxide treatment that is not only going to brighten the carpet, but it's also going to neutralize those chemicals that we put down. So this is going to help with, it won't cause any foaming up if something were to spill on the carpet. It's also going to help it not get dirty as fast by those surfactants pulling things off of our shoes and things like that. So this is a really important step. Really easy. As soon as you're done, we're just going to lightly spray and walk away. All right, so there we have it. We were able to get this carpet nice and fresh and revived. Again, we used the P&S Double Black Carpet System. We used a drill brush. So we sprayed the Terminator, then the Carpet Bomber, drill brushed it in, used a carpet extractor, and then we finished the carpets off with the finisher to neutralize and help them dry. So for more tips and tricks on cleaning carpet, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel.